If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.
What's up, everyone? We are back and I'm making another video. This is probably gonna be a week before I even release it, but yes, I got some Deviant racing parts. Some transmission lines. So I'm excited, but let's see. Yeah, but get this installed, but here's all the fittings and stuff. It's not gonna be for a while, but yeah, so pretty excited to finally get these fixed because my lines have been leaking for a bit. So here's everything. I just got the 1/2 inch, so they're eaten, weathered. So yeah, gonna be pretty sweet, and I'll do more of a video when I actually even install them, so they'll be coming up in just a minute. We are here and we're gonna do some installation stuff with Steve. We're finally here at the paint guy's shop. He's the one that made this masterpiece beautiful and gave me magazines and world famous and whatnot. But right now we are just taking off these cooler lines. We're gonna take off the bumper to get to it because that's what they said. It was a lot easier to take that off, and I gotta take off my intake to get to these ones, and we will get to that. Shouldn't be too hard, but we'll see. Okay, we got them off. Got the bumper off and the grill. Gotta paint that again, but this will be a little easier. Gotta take those little pins or the little thingies out. I found it. Okay, so now it's like cauterizing pin. Well, everyone, I'm kind of sorry. My phone died and I didn't get it done, which kind of sucked. So I got it installed. Everything's awesome. So crappy part is just making sure nothing's leaking, which it shouldn't be. Right there. Everything went on awesome, except it took longer than I thought it was going to be. Focus. But yeah, so we ran the lines. Come on, focus. So we ran the lines right there, as you can there and there. We ran there, and then it's a lot easier with the bumper off, as you can tell what we did. And all I used to put these on was just a huge crescent wrench. This one is a bitch to get into. This one, look at that right there. That one sucks because you have to take this whole thing off, and I was like, legit was just like, oh, I want to buy a different Y bridge just because of this whole. It would have made this whole thing a lot easier. Take this off and get the bottom boot off of there. That sucked. But yeah, so we ran that one in there into there, and into here, which it's super. It's not hard. It was just mainly the main thing that took the longest was getting to the one below. That's the one that sucked the most. But yeah, taking that off and take off my intake and all these plates, and you gotta take this plate off underneath the intake, and it's not terrible except for that part. That's pretty much it. And I'll show you the bottom of it. Get my sled out because I don't really want to climb underneath here with all the snow. Okay, so that one on there went pretty good. Also, I'm going to show you the front part, which kind of got kind of weird because I haven't seen it with the O-rings and the what is it called? O-rings and washers. I couldn't think of what they were. But yeah, so we ran in there. We're into here. Sorry, this is why I hate in the other video too. Okay, so we ran it through there. Come on, zoom out. And then we ran it through here, over the stuff, and over the linkage stuff, and I zip tied it up there, so because it was kind of rubbing right there. And I know it's really annoying, I'm sorry, but I zip tied it in there, and yeah, so I mean, just ran it through. It's not that bad, really. It's just that one top one that sucks. Yeah, and then just did the 2 quarts of some Deck 6 and yeah, or not 2 quarts, 2 gallons, sorry. Oh, I don't know what I said. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's pretty easy. It's just a lot of time consuming, and then getting the old ones out suck too, and I just cut them off. So let me go show you up front real quick. Oh, it's cold. So right here, as you can see the washer, the way it went on there. And then, so there's 2 O-rings. One goes, I put one on this side of it, and then the one on the other side of the O-ring. So that's all you have to do, just make sure it's tight. And the other scary part too is the tightening these, because I think I said before, it's scary because you break that, you're screwed until you get a new transmission cooler. Yeah, but it's really not that bad. Cutting the little ones out, getting that's kind of annoying, but this is the worst part, is getting to that small one down there. So have patience. It took me about 3.5 to 4 hours. So, which I've heard people say, oh, it can be like 45 minutes to 3 hours, but first time doing it. So wasn't terrible, but still annoying. But I know, sorry this video wasn't that crazy, like in depth, but yeah, we got it done. It's not that bad. So yeah, stay tuned. I got to do some more. This year I'm probably doing more preventative stuff. I have to do my rear axle seal, and I'm getting a new diff cover, and maybe getting a new exhaust system, and I'll tell you about that once I get to it and if I do it. But stay tuned. I'll quit talking, go on with your day. Thanks for watching.